Asunto-osakeyhtiö Peter.
Yeah, so this is beautiful today, but unfortunately not completely original as we were hoping for. But
Yeah.
it's also here on Pietarinkatu, Pietarinkatu 1 and Pietarinkatu. That's the modernized is the forest site.
Yeah.
Yes, of course, Pietarinkatu, Pietarinkatu 1. So you can stay here in Ulanina Lekasbori, Helsinki's Finland. But the cab is very beautiful.
Yeah.
I should also make mistakes to say a BNC later.
And F because it's completely original. Yes, it's the best one.
So we have to try it then.
Yeah.
It's built in 1929, modernized in 1986 in the civilization 105. Turning 95 is older. The next year, 2024, is going to be expected again. Somebody put it upside down.
Yeah.
Because these 4 bursts are 350 grams. The modernization 35 is old in 2021. This has 2 rights. I think we started on a second floor by mistake.
Yes. Inspected by and maintained by Kone, and this floor should be K or B.
Yeah. Were the others also modernized in 1986 or different years, was it?
88, 90 and 91.
Oh, okay. In the Texas BNC?
Yeah, I filmed 8 and B and it was 1988.
I can try them later.
Yeah.
Should we end on it? Yes. And staircase it doesn't have any elevator.
Yeah, unfortunately not. It has just 4 floors.
Ah, yeah. Windows.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much.
That's